Okay, welcome on board the tender to a mudslide. It's about 10 o'clock at night. It's still not dark, but still we are going to give you, as promised, the nighttime view of my Broom Crown 37. The tide's just turned. We are out in Stangate Creek, or Charfleets Creek, and it's absolutely flat calm. It's still about 22 degrees and I love this time of night. It's absolutely incredible. So let's take a look at Mudslide and see what you think of her in the dark. And here she is. Some might say lit up like a Christmas tree. On the aft boarding platform deck, you've got low-level LEDs to assist when boarding and exiting the tender at night, and it's also handy when you're moored stern on in a marina as well. Everything on the boat is basically 12 or 24 volts, so there's only, I think if I remember rightly, there's only two lights on her in terms of like table lamps, etc., that are actually mains reliant. Got to watch my anchor chain, don't want to run over that. Right, let's climb the ladder onto the aft deck, which consists of the dining table, the covers that are up at the moment, i.e. here, and that door is closed purely because there was a little bit of breeze earlier on, but basically the whole lot comes down. And if you really wanted to, the bimney cover up to halfway, comes down as well, so you can have a total rear sun deck if that's what you're after. But that table's brilliant for 4 to 5 people. I've had 6 round it. Fantastic if you are doing a bit of alfresco dining, or indeed a barbecue, which is quite nice too. This is a picture of the that's the tender. I love it. Okay, working our way across the aft deck, you've got your upper helmsman seat with your wheel and your throttle controls and all your various instrument panels, and including your depth. We've got a depth and a log over there. That's your Raymarine chart plotter, and your compass and everything else that basically goes with it. So that's about it from me. I hope you've enjoyed that little view of her on the night sketch. There's one more bit actually which I haven't done, so I'm going to do that quickly now, and that's outside. So from myself and Mudslide, thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed that little show around. Take care, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you again when we get back on the Porsche. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye for now.